Dear learners, right now I have the book of Indian Constitution at work textbook in political science for class 11 where we will choose a topic for discussion. Dear learners, right now I have the contents and we will choose a topic with this book. Topic will be rights in the Indian Constitution, page number 26, and here you will see the Constitution of India preamble. Remember this preamble will very helpful for understanding the Indian Constitution. When you read again and again, then you will find the justice, liberty and equality and fraternity. Justice, liberty and equality and fraternity, the baseline of our is the are the baseline for our Indian Constitution, for the human rights, for the persons, for the people, for India's basic rights to the uh, for giving to the peoples of India. We will proceed right now. Here is the topic, and when you see that this you will find that what say this introduction. A constitution is not only about the composition of the various organs of government and the relations among them, not only as we studied in the last chapter. So it is very important that in this chapter we shall study the fundamental rights contained in the Indian Constitution. So the composition of various organs of government is not very only for this, not constitution initiated for the rights to the people that have been given by the Indian Constitution. So you will see, you would know when you study what are the various fundamental rights, how these rights are protected, what role the judiciary has played in protecting and interpreting these rights, and what is the difference between the fundamental rights and the directive principle of the state policy. Here you will see the two examples. One example is here that a team of social scientists studied their poor conditions and petitioned the Supreme Court. What say the here the main motto of this, less wages and the more working hours is the exploitation of the uh, is the workers, that it has been given by the Indian Constitution that the perfect wages and the perfect the finite time what has been given by the constitutional rights, that the equal timing, equal wages should be provided. So the minimum wages has been fixed and minimum hours of working has been fixed. Second example is the Machal Lalung. Also Machal Lalung was 23 and he was arrested, a resident of Chuburi village of Morigaon district of Assam. Machal was charged of causing grievous injuries. Charged. He was found mentally too unstable to stand trial and was sent as under trial to Lokpriya Gopinath Bardoloi Mental Hospital in Tezpur district for treatment of Assam. Here you will see the Machal was treated successfully, and doctors wrote twice as doctor wrote twice to jail authorities in 1967 and 1966. 1967 and 1996 that he was fit to stand trial, wrote, but no one paid any attention. Machal Lulang remained in judicial custody. Machal Lulang was released in July 2005. He was 77 then. He was spent 54 years under custody, during which his case never came up for hearing. He was freed when a team appointed by the National Human Rights Commission intervened after inspection of under trials in the state. So I would like to say that everyone should know the rights for the people. Otherwise, you will exploit. So everyone should reside in any country, respective country. The law should be known by uh, anybody as a respective person, or every person, because without law you cannot understand what you have the rights. So rights is the very important factor for everyone. I would like to say, read human rights and the fundamental rights, fundamental duties of the constitution of the respective states of the respective country. It will provide you the better understanding for the rights. Nobody can exploit you, discriminate you, and cannot deprive from your rights. Thank you very much.